Each time you open your Studio program, get in the habit of saving the new file. When the program opens, the file is called mmstudio1. You'll want to change this and make sure you're saving it to the correct folder. Click on the Raspberry icon and then click Save. You can also use the Control key and the letter S on your keyboard. Locate the client's folder. If you haven't set up the folder yet, make sure you do that under My Studio Designs in the individual client's folder. You'll want to rename the file. We'll call this Media Room, and it's being saved with the .mms extension. That's the studio file, and then click Save. You'll notice up at the top of the screen the file name has been changed. When you click on the Raspberry icon, any current files that you've been working on will also appear here. You can click on them to open. If you've moved or deleted the file, you'll get an error message. If you're having trouble locating a file, you can use the Microsoft key on your keyboard. It's on the bottom row of the keyboard. Press that and press the letter F. This will open the search box and you can type in the name of the file as much as you can remember. I'll type in media, and you'll see this is bringing up any files that have that keyword in it. If I type mediaroom.mms, if I know that it's a studio file, I can type that file extension here and it will only bring up the files that have that particular name and file extension. So it's a good way to find missing files. From this point you can open the file and then save it in the proper location. If you've worked on a file that you'd like to use with another client, click on the Raspberry icon and choose Save As. Then rename the file and you'll have two files, the original one and then the new one that you've saved for a different client. Remember to always hit Control S as you're designing every few minutes. After you've done a few images that you've added or made some changes, use the Control key and the letter S, or click on the Raspberry icon and hit Control S. And this will save any changes you've made as you go along.